The internet has been exploding over the past couple of weeks, and if they're true, this might be one of Sony's biggest cinema upgrades. And those leaks are about the new FX5. But here's the real question: should FX3 owners upgrade, or is the FX3 still one of the best cinema cameras you can buy? Well, let's find out. When Sony launched the FX3 back in 2021, the FX3 was the camera. YouTubers, wedding filmmakers, commercial shooters, documentary filmmakers, everybody bought one. And honestly, it was for a really good reason. You got the same incredible sensor as the A7S III, fantastic low light, internal cooling, 4K up to 120, dual CF Express Type A slots, a compact body that could fit almost anywhere. The FX3 earned its reputation, but over the years, people started wanting more. If these leaks are accurate, the FX5 isn't just an FX3 Mark II. It looks like an entirely different class of camera. Here are the biggest rumored upgrades. 5K open gate. This might be one of the features that creators have been asking for from Sony for a while now. Open gate records the entire sensor, so instead of committing to one aspect ratio, you can crop later. Horizontal, vertical, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you need. And if you make content for multiple platforms, this will save you a lot of time. The FX3 uses a fantastic 12 megapixel sensor, but the FX5 is rumored to have a 16.6 full stacked full frame sensor. That means faster readout speeds, less rolling shutter, and potentially even better performance for faster moving objects. Triple base ISO. Now this one surprised me. Most cameras have dual base ISO, but the FX5 is rumored to have a triple base ISO. And if Sony pulls this off, it could make shooting in difficult lighting even easier, especially for documentaries, concerts, and night shoots. Venice features. This is where things get really interesting. The leaks mention features directly borrowed from Sony's Venice cinema line cameras. Things like false color, Venice style menus, and possibly internal RAW recording. Those aren't just flashy marketing features. They're workflow improvements that professionals use every day. So is the FX3 dead? Well, not really. Actually, not even close. And honestly, I think that's what makes the launch so interesting. If you're buying your first cinema camera today, the FX3 is still incredible. It shoots beautiful colors, has amazing autofocus, it's compact, it's reliable, and now that it's been around for a while, you can usually find it for less than its release price. But if these leaks end up being true, the FX5 fixes almost every complaint that people had before. Open gate, better monitoring tools, improved sensor, new processor, more cinema-focused workflow. It's less of an FX3 replacement and more like a mini Venice. So should you wait? Well, here's my advice. If you already own an FX3, I wouldn't panic. It's still one of the best cinema cameras ever made. But if you're planning to spend $4,000 to $5,000 on the FX3, I would wait, because if these leaks are true, you either buy a new awesome camera or get the FX3 at an even cheaper price. So either way, it's a win-win for you. So what do you think? Are these rumored upgrades enough to persuade you away from the FX3? Or do you still think the FX3 is one of the best cameras ever made? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content.
Shinji, crank that, Soldier Boy.
Soldier Boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy.